This one might seem a little bit familiar. If you've been on eastonuniversity.com, you're going to learn a lot about this in your ECCP, or Easton Cold Calling and Prospecting course, the Get Your Opinion hook, right? Hey Dave, Matt Easton over here at Easton University. You and I both attended the trade show in San Diego. Hey, I was thinking about you today, and I've got an idea that I'd love to get your opinion on. I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202. Who you are, how you're connected, and that you'd like to get their opinion. Everybody loves to get their opinion. Well, what if we're not connected? Manufacture a connection. They're in Houston, you manage you. I manage all of our operations in Houston. I work with all of our new clients in bakeries, whatever it is. You guys can use your brain and figure out a connection. Have a connection other than I want to sell you something. If you work in sales and you need to make twice as much money as you do right now to really enjoy your life, you've really only got 3 options. Option number 1, you can continue to work your butt off in the job you have right now, hoping for some sort of miracle to happen, where you start taking home double the money while doing things the exact same way you do them right now. That's pretty unlikely. Or option number 2, you can look for another job at a totally different company, hoping you're going to catch some sort of once-in-a-lifetime wave where sales just seem to flow your way. All right, again, highly unlikely, and we both know waves in sales, well, they don't last very long. Or option number 3, you can click the button here and get instant access to a simple, straightforward sales process that will help you take home twice as much money as you do right now while putting in far less effort than you do today. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you click the button, you're going to see how our interactive sales coaching portal and weekly live coaching sessions with me will help you double your income within 60 days. Easton University is more than an interactive sales coaching portal. It's more than being able to ask me questions in a live setting every single week. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the button. I will see you on the other side. Your life is about to get a lot better. Click through now.